morning. Just now I wake up. I'm so tired because I have shifted the room yesterday from new building to another building. I need to arrange the things which is having so many utensils, bed and clothes. Need to clean the bathroom, need to clean the house. Oh, so I will show you the things how much it is. So okay, I will wake up and I'll show you guys. See, so many things is that I need to arrange. It's this is all. All these things need to arrange. I don't know how much time it will take for arranging. This is a utensil and this is a kitchen. This is a small kitchen. Need to arrange. So finally I have cleaned my room. This is outside. So yes, this is inside. I have arranged the living area, a sofa, and here bed. I have arranged the wardrobe. I have arranged, but not fully. This is the wardrobe. So kitchen fully fully I have arranged, and this is not fully arranged. Here I need to unpack the things, as you can see. So yes guys, so I have arranged. Completing my cleaning, so I went and had my breakfast because I'm so hungry for bananas and tea.